everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is kale lotus root soup with peanut, which belongs to the traditional Cantonese soup. Cantonese-style soups contain some commonly used Chinese medicines to protect your health. It's necessary to explain the ingredients from the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine. Pig kale, which nourishes yin and kidney, 220 grams. Peanuts, which nourish the spleen and qi, 70 grams. Lotus root, which is beneficial to the stomach and spleen, 300 grams. Chinese red dates nourish the blood and calm the mind, 10 grams. Wolfberries nourish the liver and kidney, 8 grams. Polygonatum arboretum nourish yin and moisturize dryness, 7 grams. First, remove the skin of the lotus root. Cut it into pieces. Heat a pot of water, bring to a boil. Blanch the pork kale. When making Cantonese soup, blanching the meat is an essential step to remove the blood and impurities and make the soup clearer. Let them go through cold water. Fish out. Prepare a casserole or soup pot. Add all ingredients. Add 1,500 milliliters of water. Cover. Bring to a boil first, then simmer on low heat for 1.5 hours. Turn off the heat. In the end, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Delicious and nourishing soup is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.